Hello beautiful people, it's Derryn here from Art by Derryn, welcoming you to another ArtStart DIY Christmas. Today it's Farmhouse Christmas Fridge Magnets. Now here's where I'm experimenting, trying out some red and white. Didn't like that. This is the one where I flooded the whole wood round. See how it kind of loses that rustic look when you take the paint right to the edge? Anyway, I painted it on, put a snowflake, decided no, this is not how I'm going to make them. So I'm just showing you here how to paint the wood rounds. You can see I put quite a lot of paint on my brush, so it's very fluid, so you can make it easily and turn as you paint. I'll show you here again, just to get that smooth rounded edge by going along the ring there of the branch. I've painted these in that Anko blue chalk paint, and I'm using these craft magnets from Spotlight. Now with your magnets, you'll find one side is magnetic and the other side is the side that you stick to. Now with these ones, it's got two lines on it. That's the side you stick to the back of your round. Just check your magnet just by putting it on metal just to see which side sticks, and stick the other side to your round. So just attaching all those magnets to the rounds, and then I'll start adding some Christmas words. So I'm doing this kind of elongated font. Pick the middle letter for your word, pop that in the middle, and then you should have enough space to put your other letters in. So the first word here is going to be peace. I start off with the A, making it very elongated and thin. Now here I make a mistake. I put the bar down in the middle. It should really be about another centimetre towards the top. You'll see when I put the E in, the bar down the bottom's the same, and the top is the same, but the second bar goes up a lot higher, and that's what you do with all of your letters to get this kind of look. The P is up very high and very small. The C is sort of skinnier, and then again with the E on the end, very long. The same for the bottom, same for the top, but the middle one is up higher. So you see that A should have had that bar up higher. Now what am I doing? Merry and Bright, I think is the next one. So starting with I, you see there again, the R and the Y. That part of the letter is up high. Same with the M and the B and the R. G is pretty much the same. H, the bar's up higher. T is about the same as well. You're going for the ho. I think I should have made these O's a little bit more elongated. Can't really tell with that H. Putting a little snowflake protection symbol on there. Now writing joy. Now see, I have the O going up the right way there, and then I spin it for some reason. So now it's kind of crooked. But make your O's straight, and adding little dots now just to kind of finish these off. Deciding here whether to put a snowflake in that spot or not, and then I don't. I just pop some dots on. And our last one here is going to be love. So again, part of the heart's up high, V's skinny, and the E with the bar up high there again. So here are our Coastal Farmhouse Christmas fridge magnets. They're on my fridge. Do you love them as much as I do? I think they're adorable. Oh look, there's a little pot that I made in a previous DIY, and a love letter from my hubby, if you're wondering what that other thing was. So I hope you enjoyed that class with me today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Side by side and through and